the basic shapes, then it is very easy to draw. So first I uh, plan to make basic shape is this. Okay, this is the basic shape. First understand the basic shapes. What is okay? This is the line is the basic, so we can mota we can draw this. Okay, here basic line. Always try to basic like this, and here the very simple. So it's like a kid's drawing. Very simple. Okay, this is a wall. Here the get. We do exactly like this, but first the basic is this. Okay, we can create one. This is a police stations kind of. So you can create one character here. We can make a character here. But that's it. Okay. Now. Hide that one. Hide that one. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. I hope that now start this. Okay. So now the challenging is that we are going to, yeah. So see, we are not doing this our own style because this already is one style creating. So see when I use my pen, my marker, I using some art style. This is okay. So first you see, I just draw 5 minutes. You can see all of you just after that starts. I make it easily and fast, just 5 minutes, and then observe my brush, how I using my brush, and how I draw the lines, not straight. I'm not draw all line, all line details, and I'm not making the very nice line because we are maintaining the art style. So here, this how maintaining the design. This artist maintaining the design what is already have, because in this type of experimental drawing, the sketching, you can't change the architectures things of Kavan Park, whatever is there, but you can make it your own art style. So this artist created her own art style, and the old times pure this window. Okay, if you still go the MG Road or this area, you can see this kind of buildings and church over there. So I used to go Kavan Park lots of times, mostly every month. So it is really awesome places. You can guys visit in Bangalore. It's a best park. So I just create here. Okay, I know it is uh, not that easy, but it is getting a real experience when I am working in the Times of India in Kolkata as a cartoonist. So I draw lots of drawing over there. So every day newspaper I see my cartoons, so it is very excitement. But after the digital media coming, this is not that much cartoonist are survive in this news channel newspaper. Usually newspaper not by nowadays are mobile and computers and all those coming. So now gone this, but the cartoonist mostly draw first drawing in cartoon in newspaper, the political cartoons and the other. Okay, so you first make that much kind of starts.